Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the learning sheet 30 of Kalika Chetharike for 8th standard. So let us see what they have given in this worksheet, learning sheet. In the given algebraic terms, write the group of terms which with same and different variables. Think what you call them. Discuss your answer with your teacher. Okay. Algebraic term with same variable. Let us see how many algebraic term with same variable. I can see here 4x, 16x, same variable, and 45x. We can see there are same variable, three terms are there and different 5y square minus 56z minus 15mn. They are with different variables. Now we can say algebraic term with the same variables are called like term, and algebraic terms with different variables are called unlike terms. Let us see what they have given here. Write the for each like and unlike terms. Okay, here 4xy is there. Again 4 they have told us to write. I'll write 6xy minus 2xy 7, any number we can take, 15xy, then we can go for minus 3xy, any 4 terms. Okay, here 5m square n, 10m square n, 8m square n, minus 3m square n, and I can write 2m square n. Any like terms, same variable. 24r minus 51r, 16r, 22r, and we can write minus 3 by 2r. Okay, so anything. Minus 5z cube, 7z cube, 18z cube, minus 3z cube, minus 3 minus 2z cube. So here now let us see 10pq square, 15pq square, 12pq square, how much we want, 33pq square, and minus 5pq square. So unlike terms in the sense any unlike terms we can write 5pq, 7xy, 3z, 2r. Then here also any unlike term means any unlike terms we can write minus 5z cube. This for example also they are unlike term, 4xy, 5m square n, 2z, any unlike terms we can write here. Again I will write like 3mn, 2zn, 5pq, 3ab, like that. So for each unlike and unlike terms they have told. So I can write again 2mp, 3z square, 4p square q, 5m square n, any unlike term. Here I'll write 33p, 4z, 7x, 5q, like that 4 unlike terms. Now what they have given here, classify like and unlike terms in the following table. See, actually it is not visible properly, but still I'll try my level best to find here. I can see here there are the like terms set 9w4 times it is given. I tried to find but not clear properly. Here xy I can see again, UV I can see 13 UV, 3 UV, 103 UV, then 113 UV. It's not properly clear, but still I have tried my best to find. It's not clear, alphabets is not clear here. I have just done the circle. This is mn square, 23mn square, 2mn square. This is the set, okay. Then 12p square, 18p square, 8p square. I try to find the like terms, but which is not clearly, numbers and alphabet are not clearly visible in this. So let me see in some another printout what they have given, another like PDF. Let me see. So let us go for the next thing. But many I can see here xy term, this is also xy term, these are one like term, here like term is there, here also, but it's not properly clear, okay. Alphabet it's not so clear. Let us see here what is coefficient and numerical coefficient. Phi AB is an algebraic term, okay. Phi AB, coefficient of phi is AB, yes. Coefficient of phi A is B, coefficient of phi B is A. So coefficient of phi AB is 1. Like that the complete thing they have done. So let us see what they have given in the next main here. Okay. They have told us to find the coefficient of algebraic terms. Same like this. So here the space is very small. I will try to write 4 is the coefficient of xyz, and coefficient of x is 4yz, coefficient of y is 4xz, like that way. Coefficient of z is leaving z 4xy, like that way we have to find out, okay. Now let us see in this number. Coefficient I'll write C. Coefficient of y square x is 1, and coefficient of y square is x, and coefficient of x is y square. So in this way here also we have to write. I'll try to do in the another page so that you can find clarity here, okay. Minus phi x z, okay. So coefficient of in one paper, let me write and let me show you this problem so that you can clearly understand here. In this way we have to find, but it's very small place here, we have to understand. Hope you all have understand this what we have to do here. Coefficient, I'll just go on reading. Coefficient of minus phi is xy xz, coefficient of x is minus phi z, and coefficient of z is minus phi x, and coefficient of minus phi xz is nothing, means 1, okay. So let me read this so you can. Coefficient of 2 is y square, so coefficient of y square is 2. Here coefficient of my cube is 1, so coefficient of m is y cube, coefficient of y cube is m. Same way here, it's not their place, so I am reading clearly here. Coefficient of m square n square is 2, coefficient of 2m square n square is 1, coefficient of only m square is 2n square, and coefficient of n square is 2m square. Like that way here, coefficient of minus 3p square q is 1, coefficient of minus 3 is p square q, coefficient of p square is minus 3q, coefficient of q is minus 3p square. Like that way for this 4pq square, coefficient of 4pq square is 1, Coefficient of 4p is q square. Coefficient of 4q square is p. Like that way, coefficient of p q square is 4. Let us see what is this. Coefficient of x, y, z cube is 1. Coefficient of x is yz cube. Coefficient of y is xz cube. And coefficient of z cube is xy. Here, coefficient of minus y is nothing but 1. Now, what they have told here, write the numerical coefficient of the following algebraic term. This we can easily write because they have only mentioned write the numerical coefficient. Here 4 numerical coefficient, here minus 5, minus 10.5, here numerical coefficient only number 2, here nothing means 1 numerical coefficient, here 10 is a numerical coefficient, minus 2 by 3 is a numerical coefficient, then here 2 is a numerical coefficient, 3 by 2 is a numerical coefficient. Leaving alphabets, we have to write only numerical coefficient. Root 3 is numerical coefficient. 4 by 5 is a numerical coefficient. 5.1 is a numerical coefficient. And 9436 is the numerical coefficient. And here the last one, 6.94 is a numerical coefficient. So this completes the learning sheet 30. So in my next video, I am going to begin with learning sheet 31. Do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.